Hello. In this video, we are going to look at the expected cutoff of CET 2020. I am Aniket Kalode and we are alumni of Sydenham Institute of Management. In CET 2020, I have scored 99.73 percentile. So, let us consider the factors which we have taken into consideration to find out these cutoffs. So, what we have taken percentile score and not the rank through which you will get the cutoffs. So you will get your ranks once you do your document verification for your cap rounds. As soon as you get your ranks, then we will be able to find out the exact cutoffs. Okay, but till then we are considering percentile scores based on the last year cutoffs. Okay. The other factors which we have considered is that the number of seats in all the colleges have remained the same as per the last year's data. Okay. Cap round 1 and cap round 2 data or cutoffs are analyzed. Reason being, cap round 3 and cap round 4, the data is quite fluctuating and the exact figures cannot be obtained. Also, the number of applicants in CET 2020 have increased as compared to last year. So, we have predicted that the percentile score for a particular college would increase and we have taken it into consideration. KJ Somaiya, NL Dalmia, they have opted out of cap rounds. I mean, they are not providing MMS seats. And that is why there will be changes in the cutoffs or fluctuations in the cutoffs of Wellinger, then SIES, maybe Pumba as well. Okay, so we have taken this into consideration and then found out our cutoffs. Okay. We have also assumed that Sydenham Institute of Management's PGDM program still exists. Okay, there has been news that they may scrap the PGDM program and then everything will be under MMS program only. But then no confirmed data has been provided by DTE or by the college. So we have assumed that Sydenham PGDM seats still exist. Okay, so let us look at the cutoffs. So we have found out the cutoff for top 10 colleges: JBIMS, Sydenham PGDM, okay, Wellinger, KJ Somaiya has gone, so Wellinger, SIS, Pumba, Xavier, Indira, MET and Chetna. Okay, one more thing, OMS seats are filled through exams like CMAT, ETMA, MAT, then CET. All these exams, they have different level of difficulty, the scores of students are different. So all these are last year's cutoff. All these are last year's cutoff. Okay, all these values, they are last year's cutoff. No prediction is done over here because we don't know how much percentile has got what rank in that particular exam. Okay. Now coming to JBIMS. JBIMS, they don't have HU and OHU seats separate. HU and OHU seats, they are same in JBIMS. Okay, I mean, what is HU and what is OHU? Now JBIMS is in Mumbai. So candidates from Mumbai, they are considered under home university seats, and candidates outside Mumbai, they are considered under other than home university seats. But in JBIMS, they have Maharashtra seats and other than Maharashtra seats. Okay, so the cutoff is not separate for HU and OHU seats. So we are expecting 99.93 percentile as the cutoff this year. In OBC 99.6, 99.3 and 99.25 in ST. Okay, in SIMSRI, HU and OHU seats are separate. In SIMSRI, HU and OHU seats are separate. So we have provided separate cutoff for both the seats. Okay. Then in OBC also it is 98.9 and 99.55. So the number of seats, as you can see, the number of seats in for home university candidates are more and for other than home university candidates are less, and that is why other than home university cutoff, it goes above home university cutoff. Okay, SIMSRI is also in Mumbai. Okay, in Sydenham PGDM, SIMSRI PGDM seats, there is no HU, OHU, just like JBIMS, and that is why the cutoffs are for Maharashtra seats and other than Maharashtra seats. Wellinger also the same. No HU, OHU. So the cutoffs are for Maharashtra and other than Maharashtra seats for respective categories. SIS, they have only general category seats. They don't have uh, seats for OBC, SC, ST separately. All the seats are in general category and they also have HU and OHU seats. Pumba, which is in Pune. Okay. Pumba is in Pune. Indira College is in Pune. Rest all the colleges are in Mumbai. So, out of these 10, for 8 of the colleges, the candidate from Mumbai, they will have their home university in 8 of these colleges. In Pumba and Indira, they will have other than home university. They will be other than home university candidates. Okay. So, a candidate from Pune in Pumba, he must look at this home university cutoff, and a candidate from, let us say, Nagpur should look at other than home university cutoff. Okay. So cutoffs for respective categories for home university and other than home university are as we have found out. Okay, Xavier's College also, they don't have anything in category. So all the category seats are scrapped and they have seats only in home university and other than home university. The cutoff for the same is provided. Indira College, the cutoffs are as provided. Okay. Again, I am telling you, if you are from Pune, you will look at these home university cutoffs. If you are from any other city other than Pune, you will look at other than home university cutoffs. Okay. MET and Chetna, the cutoffs are provided. And now you have to look at your own score, your own category, and find out in which college you fit into. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can reach out to us. Okay. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can visit our website tarkashastra.co.in for further data, and you can call us on any of these two numbers. Thank you so much.